Hi guys, good morning. Right now it's about 10 o'clock. How are you guys? What a beautiful run Nifty has given today. Look at the solid Marubozu candle that it has made. And way it demolished its boundaries, was phenomenal. Like, see, by opening only, it demolished the first boundary. Look at it. And I've marked the candle levels. I'm going to come back to this later on. Today I thought, being in the market with you guys for the past good, almost like 1.5 year, 1 year, good about 1 year and 4 months. I thought, let me just recap and go through my performance, how I have been, what kind of trades I have given to you, how they have performed. So, I thought, let me take you to my channel today. Before I go on to my channel, I want to ask you guys, what is it that you expect, um, a, a mutual fund will give you? What kind of return do you expect from mutual funds? So if you have a problem in understanding, let me take you to the money control and take you to the top best mutual funds which you can buy, and you can see the returns, right? So 1 year return of this top, which is the rank five, uh, large cap mutual fund, is given a return of about 1 year return is 24%, 2 years return is on an average 25.5%, and 3 years is 13.4%. Kotak Select Focus Fund has given a return of over 1 year, it's given a 99.6%, and 2 years, it's given 20.1%, right? And so on and so forth. You can see LNT, like if you go to small and mid cap, probably the return will be a little higher. And then this is diversified equity that also is giving pretty good, decent return. Like if a mutual fund gives you, say, about 30, 33, or 35% return, it's really, really a good return that you get over a year. It considered very good, right? And I want to take you to my channel. I mean, we have of course switched over from this channel, but this is StockPro. No, this is my official channel, which we again created on 1st of April this year. I'm going to make you, run through this particular uh, performance only. Then we can look into the other performance only. So see here, this is HDFC Life. We asked you to buy it at 460, right? The targets were given here. Let me show you where is HDFC Life today, right? Let's see where is HDFC Life today. And it is at 542. 542. Where did we give it to buy, and which date did we give it to? April 2. Even today, April is not over. Today is 27th of April, right? April is yet not over, and from 460 it has gone to 542, which is about good 50 17-18% return, right? Then you look at various other, like Godrej Agrovet, we gave it at 650. Where is Godrej Agrovet today? It's at 714. You look into it. This is Godrej Agrovet. I have already put it here. This is Godrej Agrovet. You can read it over here. It's at 714. Where did I give it to you? We gave it to you at 650. So good about 10% up. Gravita we gave it at 160. You want to see where is Gravita today? So you can check, where is Gravita today. Gravita today is 196, right? Gravita is at 196. Where did we give it to you? We gave it to you to buy at 160. And where is it right now? It's at 196, right? How much percentage up? We gave it at 160. So good about 20% up. Gravita. Sadbhav Engineering, we gave it to you by between 397 and 404. I think this is not done too well, but let's still see. I want to show you the performance of our breakout stocks. 𝐻𝐵 Engineering. So this is, here it is. This is 15 minutes graph. I want to make it 1 day graph. So let's see how the 1 day graph looks. So 𝐻𝐵 Engineering, we made you buy, we told you to buy it above 390, right? That is what my recommendations say. Buy between 397. Did it? On which date it is? It is 4th of April. Let's see. Did it go there? 4th of April. 2nd March. 4th of April. So it did go there. It did go there. Yeah, we had an entry. And it did go up, little up, and then it is down. So probably this is one stock where probably our stop loss still not hit. You know, like we gave the stop loss as 380. It has not hit our stop loss yet. So the call is still on. Then you can look into the TVS Electronics. We gave a buy at 392, right? Let me show you where is TVS Electronics. 392 we gave you the buy, and look at where is it right now. TVS Electronics 544. Where did we give you the buy? See here in front of your eyes. We give a buy at 392, and where is it right now? 544. So how much is the return? If you want to calculate, let me calculate it for you. We got 144 points here plus 10. 154 divided by 392. This is about 40% return that we have got. 40% return in less than 1 month. This is our performance. You know, I'm sure you all are watching. Pinnakia Bio is one stock which actually hit the stop loss. Then Godrej Agrovet. Did we check Godrej Agrovet? Yes, it did. It is doing very, very well. Then I gave Asahi India, right? Asahi India, we gave it at 352. And right now Asahi India is at a price of 367. You can see here Asahi India, right? That is how this is doing. Then Linde India, when we gave it, I think it went up to 510 and then it came down from there, right? So this was also in profit, and of course it didn't touch our first target. Then Magma FinCorp, we gave it at 168. It is stuck up, you know, like this particular stock is stuck up. It's just 4 points above, not very, very massively up, but it's just okay. It's I can't say it's doing very, very well, but definitely not less. Even Heidelberg is stuck up and Savaria is stuck up, right? They're not down. They're not down. They're just finding a base. Jufic Bio, we gave it at 120, 123. What is Jufic Bio today? Jufic Bio is at 141, right? Good. I mean, it touched even the peak of today. It touched a peak of 144. 24 points up means 20% return in 1 month. This is what this stock has given, right? Now let's look into more stock. Future Retail we gave it 570, was at 577, right? And look at SREI Sri Infra, it is at 93 rupees. We gave it at 87. This is at 83 rupees. Quality is not doing good, you know, so we have exited that particular stock. Thyrocare we gave it 600. Today look at where Thyrocare is, right? And this I'm telling you is about is just 1 month's, you know, performance. It's not 1 year or something, but I'm going to show you some 1 year performance as well. So from where 600 it has gone to, from 600 it has gone to 685, right? Which is about 13, 14, 15% return, right? Phenomenal return. This is how this stock has performed. So, I mean, what I'm trying to tell you, that if you learn, like this is going to be from our Let me show you my courses. Somebody's written that you want to advertise your courses. Yes, I want to, because I want to protect from losing money. That's my reason why I keep talking about it, and I believe I am the one who started with I always had an intention of teaching, and I'm showing you the proof. Look at the stocks that we have given. And this is our Nifty course, but this course will take care of positional calls, whether it's future, option, or equity. And this will be a very, very basic course, which everybody can do it, right? This is our course. This will be for every single person who want to invest in the market. This is one channel that I'm showing you. I can show you uh, another of our this thing also. Uh, Rockers. Look at Rockers. So I want to show you the rockers, how the performance of rocker has been. So you can look into the stocks that we have given and see how they have performed. Now see here, look at our stocks. Every stock that we have given, you can see. ACE, we gave a buy at 171. We gave the targets, and the targets have been achieved till 194. Then we gave Flips Carbon at 1140. It was at 1305 after split. Then we gave Dabur at 348 and it went to 363. Chola Finance we gave above 1492 and it went from 1492 to 1666. GNFC we gave, this is our stock pro rocker, this is for members only. GNFC we gave a buy above 446 and it reached to 460. And then you see here GNFC we gave it at 446, it touched 469. These are all future stocks. We gave Gati to buy at 105 and look where the Gati went. It went T2 within few days. I'll just show you Gati in a minute. GNFC we gave a buy. It touched the second target also at 475. We gave Oro Pharma Gati we gave it 105. It touched 118. Then it touched 120. Right? It touched all our targets. We gave Zydus at 1210. And we gave different targets. We gave different targets. Even T3 was achieved in a single day, right? It made a high of 1337 within one day. Look at it. When did we give it? We gave it on Zydus Wellness. We gave it on 19th, right? We gave it on 19th, and within one day, it touched our Cyient. We gave it 640. You know where you want to know where's Cyient right now? Cyient is at, we gave it at 640, mind you, this is at 740. What a phenomenal performance, and I mean, this is what we teach. This is what we give here is what we teach in our webinar. How do you filter out these stocks? How do you really learn to be in the market, and how do you earn good amount of money? Anyway, that was about our performance. I hope you will all, I know somebody's written you do the same thing every day. What I want to say, even when I do same thing every day, still people lose money. I mean, when something is repeated so many times, I hope you all could have learned it by now and traded well in Nifty. So many of my members have learned and they trade well every day. They earn good amount of money. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, even if it is repetitive, but there's so much to learn. So now let me come back to Nifty. So these are the GAN levels of Nifty. Let me read them out. 10,666, 10,686, 10,710, and 10,739. These are my GAN levels for Nifty futures, right? What I want to show you here, when the morning Nifty opened, first and foremost, it opened its biggest barrier that was holding it, 10,650, right? It opened just from there and made a Marubozu solid candle in the upward direction. Then it broke the next level, which is 10,666. Then the second level, then the third level. All the levels one after the other Nifty has broken, right? It shows the solid strength of Nifty that it has today. Right. What lies ahead? Let's see what lies ahead. What does the Nifty option chain say? So if I look into the Nifty option chain, I see a huge, huge call writings happening here at different levels. Look at it, right? Which is 10,600. So for the moment, if you ask me, the base that Nifty has formed is 10,600. And what is the top that Nifty has formed? It looks to me 10,700 from the data. But if I look here, it's almost at its peak. So wait for a while. There may be a bit of profit booking may come into the play. But I mean, the way Nifty opened today with this solid Marubozu candle, it looks very, very positive. And the international market is also very positive. So I'm sure, I mean, we'll have to wait and watch, what may happen. Maybe some profit booking may come in because today is Friday. So otherwise, Nifty looks very positive, very, very positive, except its option chain, which tells me that there's a barrier at 10,700 and there's a base of Nifty at 10,600. So guys, what I'm trying to tell you is learning is very, very important in the market. If you will learn, you will never be defeated. As I told you yesterday also, as I told you, Sunday when I was doing my question answer session, I was telling that Nifty definitely looks bullish to me. And from that day, from Sunday onwards, Nifty has covered at least 30, 40 points, right? So to me, Nifty still looks good to me, right? Nifty is still looking good to me. It has today crossed the barrier, which was, I've marked the GAN level of Nifty. Now let me show you so what I really want from Nifty, its target from me is 12,012, right? Provided it breaks all these barriers that I've marked, 1281, which is what it has broken today. If it sustains itself today and Monday it crosses 1990, then I expect definitely a target of 1212 for Nifty. So guys, I'm going to be back in India from Monday onwards, but Monday, since I'll be traveling, I may not be making a video for you guys, but I'm going to definitely compensate in some form or the other. So guys, as I was telling you about Garbhare wall rope, it is still under resistance. It's not being able to cross this barrier. Let the barrier be crossed on the closing basis. Let a candle close above this, then only you will enter into it. Wait for all the resistance to be broken and then you can enter into it. So this is what I wanted to share. What do you want to, what do you decide? Mutual fund versus StockPro? I would say StockPro definitely has much, much better performance than any given mutual fund, right? But one has to be trading in the market with much more carefulness and risk management. And what I'm going to say, do one thing for you guys. You can come to my website and register yourself. We're going to make some basic courses for you, like something like risk management and how do you really, really control your emotions and how do you trade and how do you treat trading, all those things, we will be teaching you here. So become a part. You don't need to pay anything for it. Just it's to you guys a gift from me. So enjoy. But if you join here, you get a lot of other freebies, So what I wanted to tell you, do it, go for it. So I'm going to see you in India, maybe on Wednesday. Tuesday is a holiday. Take care, enjoy, be with your family, and spend good quality time with them. Bye bye. Good day. See you after a few days.